This motor burned up. It's only a year old. Supposedly there was a brownout, power outage, something like that. And this one burnt up. I had a hard time taking off the pulley off of this to transfer it to the new one, so I had to use my torches. It was a whole lot easier when I heated it up. It came off within seconds. This is a three-phase 480 volt exhaust fan. I replaced that one. That motor was burned up as well, so I replaced that one Thursday. No, not Thursday, Saturday. This one is today, which is Tuesday. This motor is also burned up. This one's pretty nasty. So I'm trying to get them to replace the whole the whole exhaust fan on this one because it's disgusting. This one right here, the motor's good. The motor's good on this, but look at that big old crack. So because of the crack, it's scraping. So I got to figure something out on this. I was able to get this one up and going. I just replaced this hood. It's a brand new hood. I just put it on like a year and a half ago. There's that motor. It's burned up. All the tools I needed was my socket set, torches, voltmeter. I got my grinder over there. I'm gonna try to solder that. This broken piece of metal. I'm trying to solder it. Thanks for watching.